So this is a wetland. It's supposed to be a kind of a filter. It is going to take all the stormwater drain water and filter it further and send the filtered water to the lake. Filtering will be natural. It will not be machinery. It will be through aerobic and anaerobic reactions, through plants and other things. So they'll be planting everything. It will pull the nutrients, clean it, and send clean water into the lake.
Okay, so that is also possible. So water will be stored in that area.
Yeah, these are all, see now what you are seeing is baffles they are creating. So that stormwater drain will send water here. It will go into this. There will be baffles like this. So it will go like that into that. When it is doing the slow movement, sedimentation will keep happening. So all the muck will settle. Then the water will keep going, so it will keep getting cleaned.
Correct.
Then it will have its own aerobic reaction happening there. Then it will come here. It will go like this and this. They'll put some plants in this this notch. Okay, so the plants will further filter the water. Then when it enters the lake, there it will be treated water
Completely
quality.
treated water.
So this is called an engineered wetland. If it is only plants what we had earlier, it's called a constructed natural wetland. But natural wetland was not able to handle the sewage, so we had to go for an engineered wetland.
So now anyways that STP water is also coming in this.
So the dilution rate will happen. So STP clean water will also bypass in case, this is a bypass channel. So it will bypass directly, it won't go into the thing, into that. So that and any overflow, rainwater overflow will go directly. Only sewage will flow into that and get treated.
Got it.